I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and this is a 2027 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This particular boat is powered by 200 V6 Mercury. We've got our aft seating, flip-up seats with some storage underneath and some bilge access. We've got cup holders, rod holders behind the seats, a nice swim platform with our boarding ladder, and you'll see the rear speakers for the JL audio system that's on the boat. You'll also notice the overboard scuppers, so we've got drainage on the deck as well as a bilge pump underneath. We've got our low profile rails along the aft part of the boat, and looking forward towards the helm seat, we've got our deluxe helm seat set up. So we've got our live well underneath here, some utility space, screwdrivers, fillet knife. We've got a nice grab bar to hold on to if you want to stand and ride shotgun. We've also got our rod holders here on the back, as well as additional rocket launchers on the hardtop. The seat has flip down bolsters, so it's either used as a leaning post, which is really comfortable, or if you prefer to sit, just flip that down, get a nice footrest, really comfortable driving position here. At the helm, we've got our Mercury digital throttle and shift that comes with the Mercury 200. We've got our JL audio head unit, Simrad multifunction display, and our standard analog/digital gauges, as well as all of our switches. We've also got cup holders up here and a 12-volt USB. Hardtop, you'll see we've got the black painted frame option, which is really sharp on this boat with the platinum hull color. And we've also matched the underside of the hardtop with the platinum hull color. We've got our map light here and then life jacket map storage. Underneath the helm, we've got a vacuum flush pump out head, as well as storage area. And then coming forward, we added in the split bow rail. You also have the low profile rails in here for safety. We've got cup holders. We've got the igloo cooler with the cushion and backrest. And then we've got a fish box and then a separate anchor locker. So fish box you can either use for your catch, fill it up with ice, use it for beverages and sandwiches, throw your fenders, extra lines in there, and then our anchor locker, anchor stores right in there. And then the benefit of the split bow rail is you don't have to go underneath the rail if you're gonna throw the anchor. It just goes right overboard, easy, no hassle. It's a really good layout. This is a nice fishing platform. It's a great boat for Long Island Sound. Awesome colors, great looking boat. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check it out.